Hey everyone, I'm from Regrob.com, India's leading real estate brokerage firm, and today we are visiting at Vajram Tiara project, which is located at Yelahanka Main Road, North Bangalore. This project is built across 4.5 acres of land. So friends, this is the view from the main connecting road. This project carries 4 number of towers of G plus 14 floors with 2 level parking. It total comprises of 237 number of units. So now this is the view of the project model. This project has 70% open space. It offers 2 and 3 BHK units. So this is the sample of the project, and here as you can see the project is surrounded by the lush green environment. So now we'll give you the interior view of a sample flat. So friends, this is the view of the living room with attached balcony. So this is the common washroom with ultra modern fittings. Now this is the first bedroom. Here you can see the wardrobe fittings. So this is the view of the modular kitchen. The spacious kitchen with wooden wardrobes fitting. And here you can see the separate utility area. So this is the utility or wet kitchen. This is the dining area. Now we are moving towards the master bedroom. So friends, this is the spacious bedroom with attached balcony, skillfully designed. This is the wardrobe. And here is the washroom area. So this is the view of the balcony area. The wide balcony. Now this is the view of the third bedroom. Over there you can see the wardrobe section. And this is the attached washroom with this bedroom. And this is the family dining hall. So we have given you the interior view of a sample flat. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for booking, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.